speak more about what happened in the first half when Chelsea were creating chances. Can you explain it from a tactical perspective? Was it just a matter of simply Chelsea can't sustain that energy, or was there something different that was happening?
I think that we suffered the position of Kante, that was center right and come out.
Boss, manager, Carlo Ancelotti, the manager of the Real Madrid Football Club, speaks here openly after punishing Chelsea Football Club at Stamford Bridge. And of course, this was just the head coach of the Chelsea Football Club. He told this club for the last few years. Of course, he was the manager of this club, and therefore he moved on. And this time around, he came back at Stamford Bridge to play against his former club, and he has punished the Chelsea Football Club for 2 goals. The 2 goals which were scored by the young Brazilian talent, Rodrigo. Of course, he netted the 2 goals, and Carlo Ancelotti says he is so happy to have that kind of boy, to have that kind of fantastic player, as he has always been performing very well. Incredible performance, and so much more. Carlo Ancelotti has consistency of the good result and the wonderful result, and something that many people have been attracted with, and it's all about the performance of this young man, Brazilian, who decided the match. And and Chelsea Football Club is knocked out of this competition, as Brazil is no longer. Chelsea is no longer the participant.